Ever bought a pair of AirPods online and something just felt off? They looked legit, the box felt premium, the pairing animation popped up, but then mic issues, battery problems, audio glitches. Chances are you bought a fake. Welcome to Headphones Pro Review. Today, we're revealing how to spot fake AirPods in 2025 because clones are better than ever. Whether you're buying new, secondhand, or double-checking your current pair, this guide will help you stay one step ahead. 1. Unboxing and packaging. First impressions matter. Let's start with the very first thing you see, the box. Apple's packaging is famously precise. A real AirPods box feels solid and premium. The lid doesn't just fall off, it glides slowly due to an air seal. The material feels smooth, and the printing, including fonts and logos, is crisp and sharp. On the other hand, fake AirPods often reveal themselves right here. The fonts might be too bold or slightly off. Logos can be misaligned or a shade too light. When you open the lid, check the inside. The phrase "designed by Apple in California" should be printed cleanly. If it's crooked, blurry, or missing altogether, that's your first warning. Flip the box and check for 3 things: the serial number, model number, and EAN or UPC barcode. These details must match what appears on the charging case, inside your iPhone's settings when paired, and on Apple's official coverage site. If even one doesn't align, you're likely dealing with a fake. 2. Case design and feel. Spot the difference. Once out of the box, the charging case is your next checkpoint. Genuine Apple cases feel smooth and slightly weighty, with a sturdy metal hinge and a magnetic lid that closes with a firm snap. The LED indicator on the front should be perfectly centered. These are small details, but Apple nails them. Fake cases usually fall short here. The lid might feel loose or wobbly, the hinge may squeak or feel weak, and the magnetic closure might be too soft or missing altogether. Even the pairing button on the back is a giveaway. On real AirPods, it's subtle and flush with the plastic. On fakes, it's often too raised or poorly centered. Here's a quick test. Close the lid and give the case a gentle shake. A real case stays shut thanks to strong magnets. A fake one may pop open or feel flimsy. You can also hold the case under a bright light. Real Apple plastic is flawless. Fakes often show mold lines, seams, or uneven texture. 3. Earbud construction. Tiny details, big clues. Now let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. Start with the weight. Real AirPods have a slight heft because of high-quality internal components. Fakes feel too light, like cheap plastic. Then check the speaker mesh. Real AirPods use fine, tight, dark mesh. Fakes often have shiny or uneven mesh that stands out or collects dust easily. Next, inspect the sensors, those tiny black dots. These are proximity sensors that detect when you remove the earbuds. On genuine units, they're precise and flush. Fakes may have them painted on, oversized, or missing altogether. Look at the stem, specifically the bottom where the charging contacts are. These should be perfectly round and symmetrical. Also, genuine AirPods have tiny laser-etched text with the model number. If it's missing or looks printed instead of engraved, that's a strong signal it's not authentic. 4. Pairing tests, where fakes struggle. One of the easiest tests to run is the pairing animation. Open the AirPods case next to your iPhone. A real set of AirPods will trigger a smooth, animated pop-up that shows the AirPods model and battery levels for each bud and the case. Clones try to mimic this, but it's rarely perfect. After pairing, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. If you only see basic options like disconnect or forget this device, you're likely using a fake. 5. Serial number check, the gold standard. The most reliable method, the serial number check. You can find the serial number in 3 places: inside the case lid, on the original box, and within your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Head to Apple's official site, checkcoverage.apple.com, enter the serial. If it shows warranty info or coverage, that's a great sign. But be careful. Some high-quality clones now reuse real serial numbers from recycled or stolen devices. That's why you must make sure the serial matches across all three spots: the box, the case, and your phone. If they don't match, you're probably dealing with a cloned fake. 6. Sound, mic, and latency, the real test. Let's talk performance, where fake AirPods truly fall apart. Start with sound quality. Genuine AirPods deliver rich bass, clean mids, and crisp highs. Fakes often sound too loud or too flat, with poor separation and distorted bass. It's especially noticeable if you listen to high-detailed tracks or vocals. Then test latency. Open a YouTube video or a rhythm game. Real AirPods have almost zero lag thanks to Apple's H1 or H2 chips. Fakes, however, often suffer from noticeable delay between the audio and video, sometimes half a second or more. Lastly, try a mic test. Record a voice memo and listen back. If it sounds robotic, tinny, or full of background hiss, that's a red flag. Real AirPods provide clean voice pickup even in slightly noisy environments. So now you know exactly how to spot fake AirPods. And in 2025, this knowledge matters more than ever because clones are evolving fast. But now, so are you. Have you ever bought a pair of fake AirPods? Share your experience in the comments. We want to hear your story. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips, headphone reviews, and scam-busting guides. Until next time, stay sharp, stay smart, and keep listening.